This is the link to my website. As you can see, this is the home page that talks about the title, which is called Social Media as a News Platform, and it shows my university username. I talk a little bit about the site's thesis, and I inserted a picture that basically shows what the site will be about. When we go to click on the tab bar, it shows my first page called Social Media over Television and Newspaper. I inserted picture of news report and newspaper along with how people receive their news from Facebook to show the difference. I later on talk about how people receive their news through a chart of the percentage of Americans who use platform for the news such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc. And then I show a little chart of which social media do people use to get their news in Norway, Poland, and Turkey. And then I talk a little bit about the stories that broke over the internet, stories that were about celebrities and more important news. I also decided to discuss about Facebook's main purpose because its original main purpose was just for people to keep in touch, but not for the news. And then when I go to another link, I decide to talk about the pros and cons of using social media as a news platform. I inserted a picture of Facebook news feed, which is talking about the news, and a screenshot of Snapchat and how it's discussing the news. I gave a little introduction about the news channels that are investing in mobile applications, and then I show a little chart that talks about television as a news source for the Americans. I gave a few points on pros and cons, and I gave a YouTube link that's called How is Social Media Changing Journalism. In this YouTube video, I am talking about 3 researchers who are doing research around this topic. Alexis, who is a deputy editor at The Atlantic, Paula, who is president and CEO of PBS, and Fon Steinberg, who is CEO in the Daily Mail in North America. And then my last page is the bibliography, which I show the references of the sites that I have used to help with my research.